suka hayi yazi ndawabona amajite sitani qhelwa mna amacheri mna ndawa 1-2 kuoma amacheri ndawaplita abantwana bayandithanda vati nana all to find out ungabi kokwa ngumntu plitana nabaxhosa kakho upgrade kodini upgrade iyakunceda kodini uplita umlungu phumtshi singese phone uthi hello wathi hi back uthi how are you what I'm fine and thanks and you uthi sithi wanna talk ati something outside uzawuthini wena jonga ndubasele kodini ngene complex ngomnyaka kodini kaphe mosilbi ngenyani ke ndingene yapho amntana anjonge yabo abethe mehlo cha ndiyambona ubugele une films for him yabo ngizibona ifilms zakhe ajo akakwazi unceda ndiye pha kuye ndithi hi athi hi ndithi something wanna talk ati no outside hey mbake jo yabonga ufuna igqobelwe imfo ndimlungisa iJohn Qhathise ndiphume nyani phandle nanayi hi I want to talk to you and don't want to mess love because love is something positive and I said to him including my mother including my father all the parents but today I'm gonna shut up to you shut up to my mother shut up to my parents but lastly and not leastly shut up to you girl while nana no I overdose yabo did we know it's not a special something this one because everything is gathered all over the mind Adam nana no put the love aside relationship together and then is oneness kaqhoma nimgqibile bawukazi yabona ke